Viewers, earlier before now, we have shown you guys Isofia, the home of Governor Soludo, being the present governor of Anambra State. And also we've shown you guys Agulu, the hometown of the past governor of Anambra State, Governor Peter Obi. Now we are at Aguleri, the hometown of Abokodike, the immediate past governor of Anambra State, that is Governor Willie Obiano. This is his hometown, that is Aguleri town. That is where we are now. So we are going to see everything about Aguleri and all you need to know, and some history concerning Aguleri. So the movement is going to come from Okuzu Junction. That's coming from Onitsha Expressway. From that Okuzu Junction, then we approach inside. So right now we are coming from Okuzu Junction in Onitsha Expressway, going into Aguleri. Presently, this is Nteje. After Nteje, we are going to meet Umuleri. Nteje and Umuleri has boundary at a river there. Secondly, this is not the first time I'm showing you guys Aguleri. You know, some people doesn't understand the trend of events happening in Anambra State, especially when it comes to governor's hometown. This is another recapped highlight that I want us to know. For some people that missed that earlier one, this is opportunity for them to still watch Aguleri. So when you talk, you understand, you know, what you are saying concerning governors having their hometown completely under asphalt. Yes, the same thing applies in Aguleri, you know, where the governor tarred the whole road in Aguleri. And you are going to see it by yourself by the time we arrive in Aguleri. So it's not a matter of maybe Soludo is constructing the whole roads in Isofia. Now, after watching this video, you will understand how that thing works. Yes, there are some things that you know, the present governor cannot, you know, go do away with, like that constructing the whole roads. He's not the first person that started it. That's why I say by the time you finish this video, you understand what I am saying. And if he wants to, you know, do or be a better person and said he will not do the same thing, then he has turned to the enemy of the whole village, his hometown. I mean, so this is not the first time. Ngige started it, Obi did it, Aguleri, Willie Obiano did the same thing. So Isofia is not going to be different. And that trend has continued. From the look of things, it has come to stay. So maybe with time, when the governorship goes around the whole towns in Anambra State, everywhere will now becomes, you know, township, that you cannot see any road without asphalt on it. You see the thing? So with time, more than 80% of Anambra State will be under asphalt. So just like I said, we are going to go into various aspects of Aguleri. Why, you know, we move into the town, because for now we are still on our way into Aguleri. So Aguleri is a historic town located in Anambra State, southeastern Nigeria. We are going to be broad, so that even if you are not from southeast or you don't understand this town, with my explanation, you can be able to understand everything that I've just mentioned. So Aguleri is a historical town located in Anambra State, southeastern Nigeria. It is known for its deep cultural heritage, religious significance, and economic activities. Aguleri is widely regarded as the cradle of Igbo civilization and is associated with Eri, the legendary progenitor of the Igbo people. This town has played a vital role in the history of the Igbo, as well as in the socio-economic and political development of Anambra State. So, in this video, you are going to explore the history, culture, traditions, economy, geography, and modern developments in Aguleri. Shedding light on why this town holds such a prestigious place in Igbo land. I said something like that earlier when I showed you guys Agulu, that Aguleri is the first son of Eri. That is it. Some people mix it up that Nri is the first son. No, it's Aguleri that is the first son. Then Nri is more spiritual than Aguleri. That is the truth about it. So Nri is much associated with his father's spiritual activity, which is located in Aguleri. So he usually visits Aguleri, being that he's more spiritual than Aguleri. So we are going to continue. Then I'm going to start with historical background, the myth of Eri and the origin of Aguleri. Aguleri's history is deeply intertwined with the mythological figure Eri. According to Igbo oral tradition, Eri was a divine being sent by God, Chukwu, to establish civilization in the region. He is believed to have settled in Aguleri thousands of years ago, where he laid the foundation for Igbo society. His descendants later spread to various parts of Igbo land, leading to the growth of several communities. Eri is said to have possessed supernatural abilities, enabling him to communicate with the divine and ensure that his people prospered. Some of his notable children include Menri. The way it is pronounced, Menri, the founder of Unri. Then Agulu, founder of Aguleri, and other figures who established different Igbo community. The influence of Aguleri in pre-colonial Igbo land before the arrival of the Europeans. Aguleri was a significant religious and political center. The town's influence extended across Igbo land, especially through its role in spiritual leadership. Aguleri was home to powerful priests and diviners who guided Igbo rulers on matters of tradition, justice, and governance. Yes, being that The Agulueri is the main place they settle down. So it's quite okay. This is the boundary between Umuleri and Nteje. We've just crossed it now. So now we are into Umuleri, and we are seeing this welcoming soundboard. Now we are into Anambra East local government. And you know the capital is located at Otuocha. You can see it. Welcome to Anambra East local government. So that is where we are now. So I was saying that naturally Aguleri being the first son of Eri, you know, it is quite natural that the place should become a consultant ground for tradition, justice, and governance. It's quite natural. So the Nri Kingdom, which played a major role in Igbo history, traces its origin to Aguleri. The Nri Kingdom, which played a major role in Igbo history, traces its origin to Aguleri. I've said this thing severally. The priests of Aguleri were responsible for the coronation of Nri kings and other traditional rulers in Igbo land. The role of Aguleri in the Nigerian Biafran War. During the Nigerian Civil War 1967 to 1970, Aguleri suffered greatly as it was a major battleground. The town was devastated by bombing and military conflicts, leading to significant loss of lives and property. Despite this, Aguleri remains resilient and played a crucial role in the post-war rebuilding of Anambra State. Yes, I still need to mention about geography and climate of this town called Aguleri. Aguleri is located in the Anambra East local government of Anambra State. It is situated near the Anambra River. Omambala, that's the one we call Anambra River, a major tributary of the Niger River. This strategic location has contributed to its agricultural and economic development. Yes, I still need to add that this road, I believe, it was either Ngige that constructed it or P2B, one of the above. But the road is still very strong. No much potholes on it, except maybe some few places that erosion water is touching. Aside that, the road is very strong, standing the test of time. So let's continue. The town experiences a tropical climate characterized by a rainy season, April to October, and a dry season, November to March. The fertile soil and favorable weather conditions make Aguleri suitable for farming and fishing. Then we're going to talk about culture and tradition of Aguleri town. Then traditional festivals. Aguleri is known for its rich cultural heritage, which is expressed through various traditional festivals. Then some of the major festivals celebrated in the town include Ovala. They call it Ovala. Unlike some of the towns in Anambra that can say Ofala, Ofala. But Aguleri, Oka regions, and the rest, they say Ovala Festival. This is the most important festival in Aguleri. It is an annual event held to honor the Obi as a traditional ruler and celebrate the town's unity. The festival attracts visitors from across Igbo land and beyond, featuring traditional dances, masquerade performance, and cultural displays. Then another festival that is being celebrated in Aguleri is the Eri Festival. This festival is held in honor of Eri, the founder of Aguleri. It is the time for reflections, thanksgiving, and reaffirmation of Aguleri's position as the cradle of Igbo civilization. The event includes rituals, prayers, and traditional ceremonies. The other festival is the New Yam Festival, Iriji Ofo. Like many other Igbo communities, Aguleri celebrates the New Yam festivals to mark the beginning of the harvest season. The festival is a time for communal feasting, cultural dances, and thanksgiving to the gods for bountiful harvests. Yes, the Aguleri people has several masquerades, of which includes the Jele masquerade. The Jele masquerade is known as the king of all masquerades. The Jele is a gigantic and colorful spectacles that symbolizes the greatness of, the town. Yeah, and other masquerades are there like Adamma and the rest of them. Then the traditional leadership and governance in Aguleri. Aguleri operates a traditional system of governance headed by the Igwe Aguleri, that's the king. The Eze. The Eze is assisted by a council of chiefs, elders, and title holders who help in decision making and administrations. Some important titles in Aguleri includes the Hozo title. From here now, if you take right, you are going to Omo, Anaku, those areas, but we are going straight. We are going straight. The next place now, we are going to meet the Aguleri junction. From there, we take left, going into Aguleri to explore the whole areas in Aguleri. Then I said the important titles in Aguleri includes the other title, a prestigious title held by respected men who have contributed to the community's development. Then the Ndichie, elders who serve as advisors to the king. Then the Umanda, a group of influential women responsible for maintaining peace and social order in the town. Well, this one, in fact, most of these systems are obtainable everywhere in Igbo land. They also titled Indichi, Domanda, all of them. They are all obtainable. Then we talk about the agriculture. Agriculture in Aguleri. Then Aguleri is an agrarian society with many of its people engaged in farming. The fertile land supports this cultivation of crops such as yam, cassava, rice, maize, and vegetables. The town is also known for palm oil production, which has been a major source of income for centuries. Then the fishing, due to its proximity to Anambra River, fishing is an important occupation in Aguleri. Many families rely on fishing as a source of livelihood, selling their catch in local markets and neighboring towns. Trade and commerce. Aguleri has a thriving commercial sector with several markets that attracts traders from different parts of Anambra State. The Utuacha market is the largest market in the area, known for the sale of agricultural produce, textile, and household goods. Then this is Utuacha, the headquarters of Anambra East local government. That is the headquarters. Then the modern development and infrastructures. In recent years, Aguleri has witnessed significant infrastructural development. Some key projects include road networks. The town is connected to major cities like Onitsha and Oka through well-constructed roads. Like the one we come from now, the road is very good. Just that it needs some kind of maintenance. Then talking about education, Aguleri has several primary and secondary education. Healthcare, there are hospitals and health centers providing medical services to the community. Right now, viewers, we are in Aguleri. Sorry, I should have mentioned that earlier before now. We are right now inside Aguleri, and you can see, you watch for yourself how the roads are being tarred. And we will not forget to visit the former governor's place, that's the Agulueri's house. You will see it today in this video. And basically you observe the roads that are well constructed, as in the whole roads in Aguleri is under asphalt like this. So that's where I want you to focus. Then talking about religion, Christianity in Aguleri has a strong traditional religious background. Then Christianity has become the dominant faith. The town is home to several churches, including St. Joseph's Catholic Church Aguleri, one of the oldest and most influential churches in the area. Then the Anglican and the Pentecostal churches, various denominations have established places of worship in the town. Then Christianity coexisted with traditional beliefs, and many people participate in both practices. Africans. Sometimes I wonder if Africans are confused. You see somebody practicing two religions, is a Christian and also a pagan at the same time. And it's becoming very common in Igbo land. There is no way somebody can be practicing two religions at the same time. It is either you are this or you are that. I don't know, probably it would have been better if we maintain our traditional religion. Who knows? Because up to today, the fear of traditional religion is still dominant in our Igbo society. That is the fact, and that is the truth about it. Also, the Aguleri and Agulueri conflict. These are two neighboring towns and two brothers. Aguleri has had a long-standing land dispute with its neighboring town, Agulueri. The conflict, which dates back to colonial times, has led to several violent clashes, even up to today. Within that area, sometimes you start hearing one clashes or the other. However, efforts have been made by the government and traditional leaders to promote peace and reconciliation between the two communities. Then there are prominent personalities from Aguleri. Aguleri has produced many notable individuals who have made significant contributions in various fields. Then some of them include the governor of Anambra State, that's the immediate past governor, Governor Willie Obiano, and some other prominent people from Aguleri. So my people, we are still moving inside Aguleri. You know, Aguleri is quite a very big place. And after watching this video, you will understand why I say that Aguleri is a very big place. And secondly, if you are from this town, or you know this town very well, after watching this video, you will know that there are some areas also that we are not touched. To tell you how large this Aguleri is, like I promised, we'll touch down to Igwe's palace, then we'll move up to Willie Obiano's house, the past governor of Anambra State. So viewers, we are still moving inside Aguleri. You know, when you hear about some of these villages in Anambra State, you think that it is one place like that they used to tap palm wine and be drinking palm wine. No. You can see that this place looks like more or less a city, you know, GRA. That is the setting of this place. If you are hearing Aguleri, you think it's one village like that. It is not. This is the Aguleri you are hearing. So directly opposite me there is the Igwe's Palace. So that is the Igwe's Palace, and the Igwe of Aguleri is Igwe engineer Chuka Idigo. Idigo is the Igwe of Aguleri. So that is his palace. So we are moving up now towards Chief Willie Obiano's place. Very shortly we are going to divert to his boulevard. So viewers, we have diverted into the road that leads to Willie Obiano's place. You can see this is his entrance gate. That's the main entrance gate into his compound. This fence belongs to him. That's the compound, very, very large compound. In fact, you can't even see the building inside the compound to tell you how large that compound is. A very large place indeed. So that is Willie Obiano's home, house compound in Aguleri. At the back here is River Niger, not this one. No. River Niger is okay. Omombala River is the one that flows from here and connects to River Niger down. You know, I see a vast area of land there, though is under the area is a waterlogged prone area. It's not places that people should just build houses anyhow. You know, those areas are prone to flood. the way I see it, flood will easily come there. Those places are reserved area, reserved ground for flood. So now we are going to visit the Omambala River, the Ezu River, where these two rivers meet. So we are going there right away to see the confluence of these two rivers. So, gentlemen and ladies, looking at these two rivers, you see two different colors. You can see two different colors of the river. This one now is the Anambra River, the one by the left. Then this one by the right is Ezu. Ezu, they have two different colors. You can see where they meet. This one, the type of sand you can get from Ezu, you can see the color is plaster sand. While that of Anambra is sharp sand. These are the two types of sand you can get from this river, and they can never mix up. Lie. Though naturally there is no way it will mix up. As two of them flows separately, they can never mix up. So viewers, in conclusion, Aguleri is a town rich in history, culture, and economic potentials. As the ancestral home of the Igbo people, it holds a special place in Nigeria history. With continued development and peace-building efforts, Aguleri is poised to remain a significant cultural and economic hub in Anambra State. So viewers, from the look of things, think I'll be leaving you guys probably the little remaining part of the video. You can just wrap it up. I am Chinedu, your presenter. Until I come your way next time, I say bye for now.